Throw an egg into the sink. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. It's a simple and inexpensive way to create a solution that will be useful in the kitchen. Take a bowl and crack an egg into it. Then, using a plastic bottle, separate the egg. The bottle will perfectly extract the yolk, which you can use for other purposes, as this trick only requires the egg white. Next, add a few tablespoons of dish soap to the bowl with the egg white. Mix it thoroughly until it forms a uniform solution. Pour it into the sink. This mixture is a clever use of natural chemical compounds that can work wonders. Wait a moment for the ingredients in the mixture to do their job. Then, watch as your sink gets effectively cleaned. This trick will help eliminate unpleasant odors and potential pests, while quickly cleaning up any residues. I wrapped the pipe from the kitchen sink with aluminum foil. The effects were visible after just a few days. This trick was shown to me by a plumber. I'm sure you've never heard of this use of tinfoil before. A lot of dirt and grease builds up in the pipes of the kitchen sink. When washing up, food residues get into the pipes. They are responsible for the bad smell from the sink. To wash up, we use warm water, which dissolves the grease. In the drain pipes, it begins to cool down, blocking the flow. It turns out that all you need is ordinary aluminum foil. Tear off a large piece. Then tightly wrap the foil around the pipe with it. Cover the entire surface of the drain pipe with it. It has thermal insulation properties. This will keep the water flowing through it warm longer. Oil and oily sludge will drain into the vertical pipe. It will not settle in the trap pipe before draining. I have tested this trick myself, and there is no longer a bad smell coming out of my sink, even after pouring leftovers from the pan. I am delighted that such a cheap and simple way really works. Coat the faucet with a candle. You'll have something to celebrate. Don't throw away any more small birthday candles. Use them in the bathroom. Just one candle will come in handy when dealing with a faucet problem. Every faucet sooner or later shows signs of water. Every drop leaves a trace. These white streaks and limescale appear even moments after cleaning the entire sink. They are particularly visible on metal components. The shower fixture quickly loses its shine. Instead of a gleaming shower head, you see one covered in white spots. It's water residue, but you can prevent this. All you need is one candle. It's best if it's light-colored. Rub the faucet with the candle and see what happens. The candle leaves a trail. That's the idea. Next time you clean the faucet, use the candle. Just rub the areas where water marks appear the most with the candle a few times. Then take a cloth and start polishing the faucet. This will spread the wax. What does this achieve? A layer of wax will remain on the faucet, preventing water residue from building up. The water will run off without leaving any traces. Every faucet will stay clean longer. You won't have to clean it as often. You'll save yourself time and nerves. And a clean faucet will be your calling card. Insert a pin into your faucet and it will work wonders. If the water from your faucet flows weakly, this pin trick will come in handy. The aerator or the tap strainer in your faucet gets clogged with deposits and minerals. Limescale builds up, which you can see if you look at the bottom of the faucet. The entire tap strainer is surrounded by limescale, which can vary in color depending on the cleaning products you use for your bathroom fixtures. When this happens, the water flow from the faucet weakens. But a simple trick with a pin can change that. If you have a faucet like this, take a screwdriver and remove the aerator. Each aerator is installed differently, so first, check how yours is mounted. Once you unscrew it, you'll likely see pieces of limescale and various deposits in the sink. These fall out during the removal process. You'll also see quite a bit of limescale and dirt on the aerator itself. First, soak the aerator in vinegar, then clean it using a pin. Simply insert the pin into the small holes in the tap strainer to unclog them and remove the limescale. This will clear the tap strainer of all impurities and dirt. The aerator will now function properly. Screw the aerator back on and turn on the water. You'll notice the difference immediately, all without needing a plumber. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and shower heads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher Rinse Aid. Applying this product to faucets and shower heads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and shower head will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom. Wash your shower glass with this sponge, and it will stay clean for 2 weeks. Limescale and residue won't build up. This simple trick saves a lot of cleaning time. Take a regular cleaning sponge, ensuring it's clean and new. Grab a dishwasher tablet, remove its protective film, and take out the protruding ball. Press it against the sponge and cut out a rectangle the size of the tablet. Remove the cut piece of sponge and insert the tablet in its place. The tablet works wonders during cleaning, as its active ingredients effectively combat limescale and residue. Wet the prepared sponge under running water, letting it soak thoroughly. Use it to clean the dirty shower glass. No additional detergents are needed. With every stroke, the tablet dissolves and removes buildup. Clean the glass using circular motions, then rinse with water. This method keeps your shower looking clean for longer. The dishwasher tablet prevents limescale from settling on the glass and adds shine to metal parts, making your bathroom look as good as new. The modified sponge lasts for multiple uses and costs only pennies to make. Stick a sanitary pad to your shower head. This quick trick will transform your shower. First, unscrew the connector between the hose and the shower head. Limescale builds up fast, and the more there is, the harder it is to remove. But you can get rid of it in minutes with just some kitchen supplies: vinegar and dish soap. Mix a small amount of vinegar and dish soap in a dispenser, about 1 small cup. Pour the mixture onto a large sanitary pad and wrap it around the shower head. Secure it with a few rubber bands or string to keep it sealed. Leave it for 15 minutes, then rinse it off in the sink. Screw it back onto the shower. This simple method deeply cleans the shower head, preventing limescale buildup and extending the life of your equipment. The results are amazing. Your shower head will work like new,